Hey there, friends. How's it going? This is Douglas. I appreciate you guys cranking over this video. Hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. Guys, as you know, I like to just come every so often and really with just, new people that have come into our community, mention them. I know many of them are guests. And, I love how you guys are just inviting the guests into the community because understand the purpose of the community, folks, is really to build, know, like, and trust. Everyone's about community, okay? And so, it's very, very vital in times like these to create community because that's what people are buying. Okay, they want to get into an environment where they feel safe, where they can have confidence and belief, where there's value expressed and transparency of others having success and just being in that climate, in that environment of just authenticity, of transparency. And, since we're in a day where it's not so much belly to belly, where we're like in front of people, all the time doing home meetings or hotel meetings, okay? Leveraging and understanding know, like, and trust in a Facebook community or a Telegram community is very, very, very essential. So, having said that, typically, I like to just, sort of use some new friends that have come into the community. And so I'll be mentioning in this particular video, Mr. Darrell Curry. I want to welcome you. I'm also going to be mentioning Mr. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹 and also Shar Jackson. And if I, introduce some others, but even though I don't use a person's name and you're watching this video, you can just replace the names that I'm using and just, insert yours or whomever that you may be thinking about. Now, what our community is about is we've connected with a platform that allows us to have at scale and on demand perpetual residual capital flow where funding is in circulation, okay? And because it's residual, many people are even using this for, their monthly obligations and bills and things of that nature. But we also have people that are coming in that are looking for funding solutions. And they find that funding in circulation is a whole different momentum and experience than just funding in circulation. Now, typically I go into showing just some brief content on a presentation. But folks, we really just have one hurdle, okay? There's really just one roadblock for some that come into any operation, and that is the arranging of a person seeing the information, the details, and overview or a presentation, okay? And what we want to do is that we want to streamline that process. And when you are able to streamline that process, that's when you are able to take your business, okay, to any level of success. Because when you have a masses of people, they always say, when you cater to the masses, you'll dine with the classes. And if we're able to minimize as much misrepresentation, where people don't have to feel like they have to vomit on people or become a salesperson, to where you can systematize the process, folks, you are then cooking with hot grease, okay? And so we only talking about everyone doing a one-time execution. So if you are Darrell, if you are Bernard, if you are Shar, or anybody watching this, and of course you haven't seen a presentation yet, you definitely want to get back with the person that invited you to our community and get your, and definitely see a presentation and get in front of the presentation. You can see the full details and you can see if this is something for you or not, right? So I want to go to my board here real quick. Okay, I want to go to my board here real quick. You guys know I love the whiteboard. So one thing we want people to understand, every connection that takes place immediately circulates success to all those that were in line previously. See, this is success in circulation. There's no gambling. There's no percent daily. There's no having to sell anything. There's no tangible product. There's no quota or no ranks or pin levels. This is literally a circulation of cash flow. With our platform model, we are a decentralized peer-to-peer funding platform, okay, to where we circulate funding by organizing ourselves, doing a one-time execution. And I want to share with you why everyone, anyone, okay, business, organization, family, individual, I want to share with you how this system works with everybody doing a one-time execution and how money continues to come to everyone over and over and over perpetually, but make sure you don't leave out residually as well. So watch this. So let's just say this is you. The moment you connect, I want you to see what takes place. See, you have an inviter, right? And your inviter has an inviter, whoever that may be. And that person has an inviter, right? And that person has an inviter, okay? We'll just keep it right there. Now, understand, the only person that invited you was your inviter, correct? This is what we mean about money in circulation. See, the moment you activate your account, our technology is doing the complexity part, and literally what's going to take place is going to be money that goes to your inviter, going to go to this person, and this person, and also the others that would do the receive. I just ran out of real estate right there. So if I'm speaking to Shar, if I'm speaking to Bernard, if I'm speaking to, I believe the other name was, sorry, it escapes me, Darrell. So Darrell, Bernard, or Shar, as you're looking at this, I want you to see your inviter, okay, and what they saw having you in mind in terms of them and you benefiting together. Because literally as you connected, even though your inviter was the only one that invited you, look what also happened to everybody else in line previously. What I love about this, folks, the money, that is the fuel. It is the transparency here. Okay? So see, this is not volume. This is not points. This is not credits. This is real monies. Okay? So literally, before this even got to you, I want you to see what took place. Right? So I'm going to erase these monies. So, of course, this person here was invited by them. When they connected, watch what took place. Money, so they received a $25 bonus and residual deposits and transaction commissions. Okay? That's real money that came to them. But it wasn't just money that came to them. It also went to everybody else that was in line previously. Different amounts, okay? But deposits just didn't go to the person that invited them. Deposits went to everyone that was in line previously. But understand, this person here was only invited by them, but everybody else in line previously received. Now, watch this. Pay attention to how this person's money continues to grow, but pay attention how many times I come back to them to do anything. Watch this. So this person here, invited by this person. When they connect, look what takes place. $25 bonus, okay? A residual deposit, transaction fee commissions. These are residual as well. But also watch this. A transaction commission came to this person and a residual deposit and another $25 bonus. But did this person invite this person? No. Your inviter was invited by this person. Not by them, or anybody else that's going to be receiving. But I need you to see that every connection is circulation. Okay? So when you understand how this infrastructure performs, you'll see why we want to remove any roadblocks for anybody to have success. Okay? Because the biggest roadblock for many is the arranging of them getting those that they want to take a look at the information to get to the information. Well, if we systematize that, we basically systematize success for everyone, and it makes it easily duplicatable. Watch this. So when your inviter connected, now understand, this hasn't gotten to you yet. Okay? And so since we systematize success, okay, everybody's just running the system to those that they want to put the information in front of, and the system is basically filtering who wants to have success with us and who doesn't. See, we're not asking this person to make any decisions for others. Just utilize this sizzle tool we have. We're not telling this person to make decisions for others. We're just having them to use the sizzle tool that we have. We're not asking this person to make any prejudgment. Just utilize the sizzle tool we have. Okay? Because the person, the viewers, as they watch this sizzle that I'm going to show you here in a second, at the end, the viewer selects if they want to get more information on A, B, or C. And then from there, a notification comes to the senders to let them know, hey, the viewer said they want to see this. And I'm going to show you the well-oiled machine and how we have basically paralleled ourselves like multi-billion-dollar enterprises are already doing, okay? So let me finish up here. So your inviter connects, okay? I want you to see what your inviter saw the second they connected and why they wanted this to be put in front of you, Bernard, Shar, or Darrell. Watch this. So when your inviter connected, they immediately saw the transparency. Look, they saw the person that invited them receive $25 instantly. Not only that, a residual deposit came to them instantly. Not only that, a transaction commission came to them instantly. So see, your inviter is only inviting you because they saw this thing functions as advertised. But that's not the only thing that they saw, because what else happened? Transaction commission went to this person, plus a residual deposit went to this person, and another $25 bonus. $25 bonus went to this person as well, and a residual deposit. Notice there again, have I come back to this person to do anything? No. How about this person? No. How about this person? No. But do you see everybody's money continue to grow as this is replicating forward? So now look at this. You were invited by who? Your inviter. The second you connect, remember I said every connection is doing what? Every connection is circulation. So you connect, look, $25 bonus, that's real money. Residual money, that's real money. Transaction commission, that's real money. Transaction commission went to this person, that's real money. Residual deposits, that's real money. $25 bonus, that's real money. $25 bonus here, that's real money. Real money, real money, and real money. Folks, this is a well-oiled machine here. And we're literally connecting a well-oiled machine to a cash-flowing engine. And so, this is not to overcook anybody's grits. This is not to have anybody leave anything that they may be currently doing in life. This is to serve as a perpetual, increasing public utility, if you would, okay? A perpetual cash flow. Because the solution that this operation brings is that 98% of people, okay, we don't struggle with making money. What has been very elusive for us is ongoing residual cash flow. See, folks, cash flow is more valuable than cash accumulation, right? So, now, let's say Darrell or Shar or Bernard. Let's say you have whoever your partner is going to be, okay? Doesn't matter because the system does the same thing every single time. So the moment that you connect, or excuse me, your partner connects, that, again, we're going to have this sizzle tool. You're not going to prejudge. When they connect, Okay, watch what takes place. $25 bonus to you, residual deposits, transaction commissions, residual deposits, $25, residual, $25, residual, and residual. Notice how everybody's money continues to scale. Okay? So now, that's that part. So that's how the infrastructure of our system works. Here again, go see a presentation so then you can let us know there's two ways in which you can get yourself started. There's a citizens and there's an enterprise. Okay. Now, many of us got started here at the enterprise because it's the biggest bang for your time. But you can decide to get yourself started at any one of those. The question many times is asked, Douglas, if I got started with the citizens, as the money is accumulating and coming in for me passively, can I then upgrade from citizens to enterprise? Absolutely. You just pay the difference. And then you'll start, receiving, okay, as enterprisers are receiving, okay? Now, I want you guys to see the system. So let me share my screen before I come back to the board, because this is why I'm all about people understanding the system. Okay. Here. Because of companies like this, companies like McDonald's, right? So, folks, we're using a sizzle to invite and systematize the sharing. You leveraging a custom sizzle to remove hurdles and roadblocks. See, we have a system that goes into about 90 seconds of information. It's straight to the point, and it's interactive, meaning that the viewer, they literally control, this thing doesn't move until the viewer is giving it a command, okay? So it's not something that's just running on and just going, and let's say the person's not really giving their complete 100% attention to it, but we want to make it short and sweet. It is just there again, just to make an introduction and pique their interest, qualify their interest, to then them selecting if they want to get more information, okay? And so when you understand McDonald's, folks, we're talking about McDonald's, they put their concentration on their speedy system, okay? They're not the best tasting hamburger, okay? But they sell more hamburgers and chicken McNuggets than any other business restaurant out there selling hamburgers and chicken nuggets. And why is that? It's because of their speedy system. See, like any successful enterprise, systematize the business. You want it to be a wash, rinse, and repeat. And when you have a business like that, folks, think about the age groups of the people that run a McDonald's. It's typically teenagers, people 16, 17, 18 years old running a multi-billion-dollar business. So you're having people with the lowest level of skill set that's able to run a multi-billion-dollar operation and the day-to-day workings every single day. Why is that? System, folks. They want to streamline and systematize. Think about it. Everybody goes to the ordering intercom. That's the first thing they do. Then what they do, they go pay for their food. Then after that, they pick up. And so each and every one of these, what they do, order, pay, pick up. Next person, order, pay, pick up. Next person, order, pay, pick up. What's happening to the McDonald's cash cow? Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. But it's not relying on any one of these to need skill set to have success. It's not requiring anybody working on the inside to need skill or need talent to have success. This is what we mean about streamlining success. So when you have the ability to systematize, folks, it removes failure and creates a momentum and experience unlike when you're bringing on people to be salespeople. Okay? So I want to play I want to play this. I want you to hear, because we basically customize this to your name. So we can make this to be Darrell, we can make this to be Shar, we can make this to be Bernard. I want you to hear how this thing uses Christine Bryce in this presentation. And this is what Christine uses to then systematizing, okay, the invitation process to then someone getting put in front of a full overview. Let me play this for you real quick.
Hello, and welcome to this short presentation and private invitation courtesy of Miss Christine Bryce. We know your time is valuable, and so is ours. It's going to be interactive, so you'll be asked to click your screen from time to time to see only what you're interested in seeing. And no matter where you are in the world, whether in a city, in the office, or your own backyard, we know your time is valuable. So let's get started with just a quick question. What if funding wasn't something you chased, but something you owned? Through structured ownership and automation, you can position yourself for sustainable, perpetual residual capital flow, where individuals, churches, charities, and businesses grow together as funding circulates, not concentrates. Discover in this short introduction a huge breakthrough in residual perpetual capital flow that 98% of people are in the dark about. Click Move Ahead to find out more.
Tuning in for the very first time. And because of that, I want to encourage all the guests to get to a quiet location. And as we like to say, really put your head and your heart on sponge, because what I'm going to be sharing with each and every one of you this evening, I promise you, you've never seen anything quite like this before.
Just so we can avoid any back and forth of missed calls and voicemails, please fill in your name or Telegram profile. Afterwards, select if you want to get more information, either on the business, the perpetual capital flow, or both. Christine will be notified to follow up with you to arrange attending one of our next strategic partnership streaming sessions. This information is by direct invitation only. Thanks for your time. Christine will get back to you as soon as possible. You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. We use this AI tool to systematize success for everyone. Success here is with no uncertainty and zero guesswork. We appreciate you watching. Have a great day.
So guys, here, this is the notification that you saw as a name was being put in, which was my name, okay? Once a person selects if they want to get more information on the perpetual income, the business, or both, then a notification gets sent to you, the sender, to then arranging the viewer, because they told you what they wanted to see next. And folks, that's how we systematize, okay, the arranging of folks getting put in front of the information. Folks, we want to systematize the arranging, not prejudge for anybody. We want to systematize the qualifying of interest, not thinking, okay, for people. And we don't want anyone having to rely on using skills so much to dredge up a sales pitch or a sales script, misrepresenting anything, folks. So there again, when you remove the hurdle and you remove the roadblocks, who then is not able to be successful? Only those that just don't want to be. Because when you systematize and you run a system, watch this, folks, it removes failure. It removes anybody's ability to fail when there's a system in place. This is why teenagers run the McDonald's, because the system doesn't allow them to fail. Now, if they just can't comprehend, well, that's a whole other story, right? So, going back to my board here. Go back to my board here, okay? So, remember the McDonald's. Remember McDonald's was what? It was order, right? Order, and then what? They went to the pay, okay? And then they went to what? Pick up. And that's the McDonald's system. Order, pay, pick up. Money. 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 But it was order, pay, pick up. So when you think about that, Bernard or Darrell or Shar or whomever's watching this, okay, this is when you eliminate, okay, anybody needing skill set to win. Now watch this. So I'm going to erase these components, right, and use the components that we're doing here. Now, in most cases, okay, it's typically you are inviting. Invite, and then what? Get to an overview. And then once to an overview, we get them onboarded to the technology. Okay. Those are our components. But folks, when you are having people to invite utilizing the sales script or fumbling and throwing up on people, this is where you have what they call a roadblock. Okay? Now, if you have the gift of gab and you're somebody with influence and you know how to leverage your influence, okay? Because the objective that everybody's looking to do is just get people to the overview. And then once they see the overview, they're going to see how our success is laid out, where it mutually benefits everyone with a straight success line, where everybody's having money continue to come to them without them doing any more work, just that one-time execution. Okay? So we're removing the component of having to invite, and we're using that 90-second what? Sizzle. And it's doing all the heavy lifting, okay, and sharing and getting straight to the point, and then it gets to the end to having the viewer to select what? Do I want more information on the platform or the money or both? Okay. So no matter what one they select, Darrell or Shar or Bernard, it's leading them to get with the sender to arrange them into a live overview. Okay. So this is removing this roadblock here. Now, the sizzle removes the roadblock. But I must tell you, do people still deal with a roadblock? Yes. How? They prejudge. They already prejudge and think for others who's going to say what, who's going to swear, and so they never even bother to send it to someone. So if that's going to be you, this is not going to be for you. So we have a 3-tier instruction in how to effectively send out the sizzle. First, we ask a question. Then we wait for a response from that person. We don't say anything until they give us a response. Once they give us a response, then we send them, okay, the sizzle and just share with them, hey, please don't share this with anyone else. We want to keep that exclusivity like it's a private, exclusive invitation. And then, of course, when they're watching the sizzle, hearing the sizzle, they're seeing the appeal of it, the professionalism of it, and not only that, they're hearing your name mentioned in it. So it's very, very captivating and attracting. And then it's short to the point because people don't have what? They don't have long attention spans. So this is not something that's going to be like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hour. No, no, no. Okay? Because all we want to do is just qualify their interest that gets them to an overview, and then gets them onboarded. And let me share with you how this all takes place now that we've systematized this process. So where with McDonald's, it was what? Order, pay, pick up. Our system is sizzle, overview, onboard. Sizzle, overview, onboard. And watch what takes place. So say we have Bernard, right? And Bernard has their inviter, right? The inviter sends Bernard a sizzle. Bernard then goes to an overview. He says, I'm in. He gets onboarded. Watch what takes place. $25 to the inviter, plus residual deposits, plus transaction commissions. And let's just say in this example, one of Bernard's partners is Darrell, right? So we'll put Darrell here. Darrell's going to receive a sizzle from Bernard. He's going to choose, I want to get more information on the platform, the money, or both. No matter what he chooses, Bernard's going to then have him to see an overview, right? And then Darrell's going to decide to get onboarded, okay? Because we have onboarding specialists. They're going to do the onboarding on our behalf. So Darrell gets onboarded. Watch what takes place. $25 to Bernard, residuals to Bernard, transaction commissions to Bernard, but also look, the inviter, they scale as well. Okay. And then Darrell is going to have a sizzle created for him. That, let's say Darrell is going to send it to his business partner or his prospect. Let's say that's Shar. Okay. Shar is going to receive a sizzle from Darrell. Then she's going to be put in front of an overview. Then one of the certified onboarders is going to onboard you to the technology. And look what's taking place. So when Shar connects, 25 to Darrell, residuals to Darrell, transaction to Darrell, transaction to Bernard, residuals to Bernard, $25 bonus to Bernard as well, residuals here to the inviter, and $25 bonus also to the inviter. Okay. Let's say Shar, she's going to have a sizzle customized to her. Let's say she's sending that to somebody named Wanda. Okay? Wanda's going to see the sizzle. She's going to decide if I want to see more information on the platform, the business, or both, or the money, or both. Wanda's going to go to an overview. Hey, I'm ready to rock and roll because I see how this has all of us succeeding together. She's going to get onboarded. Wanda is. And then when Wanda gets connected, look what instantly takes place. 25 to Shar. Residuals to Shar. Commission to Shar. Commission to Darrell. Residuals to Darrell. 25 to Darrell. 25 to Bernard. Residuals to Bernard. 25 to the inviter. Residuals to the inviter. So folks, we're taking a cash flowing engine and we're systematizing the success of it. Let me say that again. We're taking a cash flowing engine and we're systematizing the success of it for everybody. And the beauty of this, have you heard me come back to the inviter to do any more work other than the one-time execution? No, you haven't. They've only done it one time. How many times was it for Bernard? One time. How many times was it for Darrell? One time. For the Shar? One time. And Wanda, let's say Wanda, she created a sizzle and she put it in front of her pastor. Her pastor gets connected, right? Pastor sees a sizzle from Wanda because Wanda says, I'm not going to prejudge. I'm going to, follow the instruction of the sizzle to send it out effectively. Pastor's going to decide, okay, go to an overview, and then pastor gets onboarded and watch what happens to Wanda, watch what happens to Shar, watch what happens to Darrell, and watch what happens to Bernard and all others that were in line previously. Wanda, $25 bonus. residual deposits, transaction commissions. Shar, $25, residuals grow, transaction commissions. Darrell, $25, residuals grow. Bernard, $25, residuals grow. For the inviter, residuals grow. Please understand, these residual monies here, these are not one-time offers. These are not one-offs. Okay? These residuals, all residual monies is coming to everyone, even as your residual money is scaling. Even as everybody's residual money is scaling, all residual monies come 13 times a year, guys. 13 times a year. So that's all I like to share, folks. I'm about streamlining us to success. Let me show you this here, and then I'm going to end the video, okay? We are about streamlining success here. Having no guesswork, no maybes. Let me read this to you, okay? Where I want to go first. See, systematize.
Systematize.
Arrange according to an organized system. Make systematic. Make sure y'all are seeing what I'm saying here, okay? Arrange.
Systematize.
According to an organized system, making it systematic. Let me go here. I typed into Google, how much money did McDonald's brothers spend on Speedy system? To understand the investment made by the McDonald's brothers in the Speedy service system, consider the following points. McDonald's brothers spent approximately $1,000. Of course, that was like hundreds of thousands of dollars back in those days to develop the Speedy service system. This investment was aimed, hear this, it was aimed at streamlining their restaurant operation. Folks, they wanted to streamline the success. Okay? And when you're able to, and when you do that, you cater to the masses becoming successful. Because when it's not encompassing upon you or I to be a good guru, to be a good presenter, to be a good inviter, to be, or to worry about, prejudging or thinking for others. A sizzle and streamlining the service removes all that. So if something is streamlining for all to be successful and we're not successful, it just means you've decided to be your own roadblock. Don't do that. Don't be your own roadblock. We put the system and service together because we want this happening for everybody. Walking in the front door. And as anybody's walking in the front door after them, they're going through this same rinse and repeat success process. The system focused on efficient and speed in food preparation and service. It laid foundation for the fast food model we see today. Their innovative approach significantly increased customer turnover and sales because they wanted to make their business system dependent and not personality or skill set driven. Got it? So that's gonna be my time. Once again, guys, you guys are able to invite all. We leverage our social media and our Facebook community and our Telegram community to build know, like, and trust. Guys, you're open to invite any of your guests, any friends, family members, okay, those that you want to get into our community, okay, because everything is built on know, like, and trust. Maybe you had a person to where, maybe your influence has sort of, died down. Maybe you've been in other projects and, you've invited others and they didn't have so much success with you. Well, that's where a community can help you, okay? that can be leveraged. Because trust me, many of us have more in common than we do different, right? And so we keep people updated when we go live and they can see overviews. When we put information inside this community, we can tag people on what we want them to hear and see because they want the information. You want this information dripping on all those that you want to put in front of this. You're going to have some people that are going to straddle the fence. We don't want anybody to straddle the fence because what we have is just so simple, so straightforward. It's black and white. Success is a choice here. Okay? When success is a choice, it's black and white. There's no gray. See, this is either going to take place or it doesn't. And I also want to make this clear. Hold on, let me make sure you can see all this. This is all instant withdrawable monies as it comes. And you notice we were all scaling simultaneously as this was moving forward. So don't just see this as monies on a whiteboard. As this is developing, no, as these monies are coming to, as your invitors' monies is coming to them, they're able to withdraw those monies anytime they want. As the monies is coming to Bernard, it's instant withdrawable monies. As it's coming to Darrell, Shar, Wanda, and the pastor there after that, it's instant withdrawable monies. So when the pastor, watch this. Remember, the residuals are 13 times a year. So typically a pastor, if he's a pastor, what? He's the pastor of a church. So the church gets connected. Because we just don't have individuals here. We have different organizational entities, families, and the like. So the church gets connected, right? What takes place? 25 to the pastor, residuals, transaction commission to Wanda, plus residuals, $25 to Wanda, residuals here, $25, residuals here, $25, residuals. Church has what? Church members. I'm just giving a low number here. Let's say there's at least 100 other church members that get active. So you just multiply 25 times 100, right? So that's going to be $2,500 to the church, plus 100 deposits to the church and 100 transaction commissions to the church. Now, did the pastor, well, of course, the pastor invited the church members, but watch this. So the church members connected, right? 100 of them, right? But guess what? That also brought $2,500 to the pastor. That brought 100 deposits of residual deposit to the pastor. It brought 100 transaction commission to the pastor too. But look what it also did. It brought $100, not $100, 100 deposits to Wanda, plus $2,500 to Wanda too. Guess what? That brought 100 deposits to Shar, plus what? $2,500 to Shar as well. That brought 100 deposits to Darrell, 100 deposits to Bernard, 100 deposits to the inviter. So folks, we are systematizing a cash flowing engine. We're systematizing a cash flowing engine that mutually benefits everyone. Sizzle, overview, onboard. Sizzle, overview, onboard. Sizzle, overview, onboard. Sizzle, overview, onboard. What does McDonald's do? Order, pay, pick up. Order, pay, pick up. Order, pay, pick up. Order, pay, pick up. At the McDonald's around the corner from the one you're at, what is it? Order, pay, pick up. For the McDonald's on the north side of your city or state, order, pay, pick up. For the McDonald's that may be 2 blocks down from that McDonald's, order, pay, pick up. Order, pay, pick up. Order, pay, pick up. I want it turned everybody into a business owner. Business owners think in systems. They don't think and prejudge, what if somebody doesn't do it? I'll just say, if you're in that frame of mind, Business is not for you. Okay? Anyway, this is Douglas Ford. Always excited to be able to share value like this to Shar, Bernard, and Darrell. Okay? Darrell, definitely get back in contact. You guys are more than welcome to invite anyone you want to this community. Okay? And you can tag your prospects on this so they can see. Okay? Because we want everybody to understand. We want to be system dependent. Don't feel you have to come here and be a guru. You don't. Because when you feel you have to be a salesperson, well, guess what? That comes across when you're talking to others. No. Let people know we have a protocol here, and we like to keep this system dependent. This sizzle just to qualify to even this is going to be even of interest for you. So we're not trying to hem and haw, twist anybody's arm, go through a back and forth of rebuttals. No, not this. Not with anyone having success to be just by saying yes one time. So see you at the top, guys, but definitely want to see you guys way over the top. Take care. Be blessed.